Step 1. Figure out the conclusion of the argument. See, this part here is the conclusion. Step 2. Link the two portions in boldface with the conclusion. So we know that the first boldface itself is the conclusion, and the second boldface here is an example. You see it says for instance, and then it comes up with an example here. So the second boldface is an example that supports the argument's conclusion. So with that groundwork in place, let's look at the answer choices. So any answer choice that does not say that the first is the argument's conclusion is not going to be correct. So see, answer choice B says that the two portions are both evidence. No, the first is not an evidence supporting the argument's conclusion. The first itself is the conclusion. So this cannot be correct. Similarly, answer choice C says that the first is a premise. No, first is not a premise. Premise, remember, is a statement from which another statement is inferred, and a conclusion is something that is inferred through some reasoning. So a conclusion is never a premise. This cannot be correct. Answer choice C can be eliminated. A similar problem with answer choice D here. It says that both the portions are premises. That's not correct. So it's between A and E now. And then something very interesting, answer choice A calls the second an opinion. But no, this is not an opinion. This is a concrete factual information. Something like an evidence would work better. So answer choice A should be eliminated. Then one more problem here with answer choice C is that it calls the second the conclusion, which is not the case. First boldface is the conclusion, not the second. So let's confirm answer choice E once. We know that the first boldface is the conclusion and second boldface is an example that supports the conclusion. Answer choice E says that the first is the argument's conclusion. Absolutely correct. The second part here says that the second boldface is an evidence. Yes, evidence is a good term here because this is a concrete factual information that supports. Supports is a good term for the conclusion. Yes, the second boldface is an evidence that supports the conclusion, and therefore E is the correct answer choice.